Just a couple things before I close. Oops. When you go on census.data.gov, census.gov, you can request a free data training for your organization. You can also go, and these are in census.gov/academy. There's a link for Academy on census.gov. You can receive our data gems. Those are short how-to videos. They're an easy, quick way to increase your knowledge on census data. They're 2 to 3 minutes at most. And you can actually get them in your inbox. You can get access to our courses. You can learn at your own pace with these video tutorials designed for different skill levels. You can also interact with our instructors via webinars. You can learn about our new data releases and tools while attending these live virtual classes. And we also have any number of very many pre-recorded webinars. So if there's anything, Census Business Builder wise, there's probably like 3 or 4 or 5 recorded webinars you can watch on there. Basically, most of any of our data tools have pre-recorded webinars that you could, if you ever have any questions or want to know, you could easily watch those at your own pace.